In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom emojis on Discord. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what files work best, and a few simple tips to make your emoji look great in chat. Start by opening Discord and heading to the server where you want the emoji. At the very top left, click the server name to open the drop-down menu. This is where all of your server's configuration options live, and it's the quickest way to get to the controls you need. From that menu, click Server Settings. You'll need the right permissions to access this area. So if you don't see it, check with a server admin or owner to make sure you have permission to manage emojis. Inside Server Settings, look for the Emoji section. This page lists every custom emoji currently available on the server. It's also where you can add new ones, rename them, or remove ones you no longer need. Go ahead and click Emoji to open it. Now, click Upload Emoji. A file picker will pop up so you can choose the image from your computer. For the best results, use a square image with a transparent background. PNG works great for static emojis, and GIF works for animated ones. Keep the file under 256 KB to meet Discord's size limit. If your image is too large, try reducing its dimensions to something like 128 by 128 pixels or compressing it slightly. Discord will automatically scale emojis down in chat, so starting with a clean, simple design helps them look sharp at small sizes. After the file uploads, give your emoji a clear short name. Emoji names can use letters, numbers, and underscores, with no spaces, and they should be between 2 and 32 characters. This name becomes the shortcut you'll see between colons in chat. Keep it readable so your members can find it quickly. Once you save, that's it. Your custom emoji is now part of the server. It will appear in the emoji picker for anyone with permission to use emojis in that server. Animated GIFs will play if users have permission to use animated emojis. If you later want to adjust the name or remove the emoji, you can do it from the same emoji page in Server Settings. And that's all. Click the server name, open Server Settings, go to Emoji, upload your image, name it, and you're done. With a few thoughtful choices on size and naming, your community's reactions will feel uniquely yours.